Hello, I'm James Grimsley, the Executive Director of Advanced Technology Initiatives with the Choctaw Nation of Oklahoma. It was really historic. This was the first time that a tribal government has been selected for something like this, in terms of an advanced technology pilot program involving transportation.
This field for me started as a kid. I was flying remote-controlled airplanes since I was 10 years old. Kind of bounced back and forth of what I wanted to do. I went to college actually to be an airline pilot, and then a career in my hobby presented itself, and I've been doing this ever since. I'm kind of like the air boss for drone activities out at our test facility. I run our test facility. I monitor, make sure they stay safe, stay legal.
I believe that this is an exciting time to be an engineer or someone related in the STEM field, because the opportunities over the next few decades are going to be immense. The primary relationship we have with the FAA and on the Beyond program is to advance basically the next generation of drone operations for beyond visual line of sight. So being able to fly farther than the operator can see and do that safely.
As you step up in levels of drone, complexity gets higher. Their capabilities just increase dramatically with precision of GPS. For a drone delivery company to deliver a package, it's got to be able to safely get from point A to point B and not fall out of the sky, and that takes hundreds of hours and years of development to make them a safe, viable thing.
And we're also working to stimulate our STEM pipeline, and that's all aspects of a STEM pipeline in the future, because we want to be able to provide high-tech, next-generation job opportunities for this community.
If you're in a career tech or high school, all the different STEM activities, the robotics help you build up your knowledge and skills that would just transfer right over into this industry.
There will be things that are flown at this test range and this test center here that have not even been envisioned yet. So the exciting things are still to come. And one of the things that Oklahoma has is a very well-funded, well-structured career tech system. We have great facilities. We have an incredible team of people that are part of the administration and the educational part of that. But I've also seen over my career in Oklahoma, I've seen the career techs pivot very quickly. And so I've never seen a challenge brought to the career techs that they could not respond to and be ready to prepare a workforce. That's exciting. When we see that it's going to open up opportunities for everyone, that's what excites me, and that's what excites the Choctaw Nation.